Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. In this session we will start a new section named as vertical alignment, and this session would be about creation and configuration of a surface profile. In order to do so, let's cross out this by default drawing number 1, and then we will bring this lecture file saved earlier. You can find this file all along with this video tutorial. Well, we can adjust it so that we can see clearly the alignment path. So we will use a polyline to follow this path completely, like this. And then we can hit the enter key or the space bar to complete this polyline. Now we can go to create alignment and then select this polyline and hit the enter key. Then we can see this arrow is in the right direction, so there is no need to reverse. It is moving from left to right. So we can simply hit the enter or space bar. Now you can see an alignment has been created. You can see the alignment name here. You can go to the alignment properties and we can rectify the name as axis 1. Let's hit apply and then OK. Now you can see the name is there. We can go to create profile from the surfaces, select the axis number 1. The surface is natural terrain. We can give some sample offsets, but this time we will just add as it is. Here we can change it to static or dynamic. We will discuss the difference later on. We will go with dynamic for this point. The style is existing ground profile. Let's hit OK. There is no error for now. Now we can go to the profile view. Here you can see the profile name. We can change the name as profile axis 1. Here we can edit the profile view 0 underscore profile view style. Let's change the author name as Olagio. Under graph, the vertical exaggeration was 10, so let's make it 1. Under grid, we can clip the vertical and horizontal grid. Under title annotation, horizontal axis, vertical axis, we will keep everything as by default. Let's hit apply and OK. Under the layer, we can create a new layer. We can give it a name, a color, a line type, and a line weight. But here, we will use the modifier of suffix and write underscore static. So now we can see C-road profile view axis, profile axis 1. Next, we can give the station range, or we can go for the automatic. Similarly, for the height, we can user specify the height for the minimum and maximum and split the profile view, but we will go with the automatic. For the display profile, again, we have a lot of options like static or dynamic, but for now we will go with dynamic and keep everything as by default. Here we can go for the no labels or complete label set as well. The data bands are same and the profile hatching would be as it is. Now we have to place it anywhere using the left mouse button, and here we go. The profile has been created. We can adjust it like this. We can go to the profile preview properties. We can select this entire profile and we will go to the options like this. Here we have the name in the information, then we have the object style as 0_profile view style we just created. We can change the name to profile view axis 1. And here we have more options as well. We can go with the land desktop profile view, and here you can see it is exaggerated one. Sometime we want this exaggeration and sometime we don't. We can edit it. Simply go to the graph, and here we can write 1 instead of 10. All we need to do is hit apply, and here we go. So this was the very basic lesson about creating a profile. In this entire section, we will be playing a lot with these profiles. Don't get confused at this stage as we will be doing a lot of changes in near future for the next sessions. So we will save the file as lecture number 23 now and let's close this session. Let's call it a day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.